everyone, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of a basic line dance move. In this one, we're covering the weave. Very similar to a grapevine. Let me show you the difference though. All right, we're gonna weave to the right. All right, now in a grapevine, you start with the step out first, but in a weave, you cross first, okay? So the weave will go one, cross with the left, step out with the right, cross back with the left, and then step out with the right. Okay, so if you try it again, cross front and then out, and then cross back and then out. Right, that's the weave. Okay, one, two, three, four. Okay, and it can even go, more than four counts. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay, just depends on the line dance. All right, you may even see it on the and beats. We've seen that too, right? One and two and three and four. Okay, all it is a weave. Remember, cross front, out, and then back, out. That's the weave. You can also weave to your left. You're going to cross. Weaves always start with a cross. So cross in the front, out, back, out. Okay? Let's try it again. Cross front, out, cross back, out, cross front, out. Okay? Again, it could be four counts. One, two, three, four. It can be eight counts. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. You can also count it on the and beats. One and two and three and four. Okay. The idea is cross front, out, cross back, out, cross front. That's the weave. Now, it's easier for me, just a little tip trick, if you dance on the balls of your feet. Okay. Because it's moving so fast. You don't want to be flat footed with it. You want to have a little bounce to it. Okay. So cross, 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 cross. Okay, cross. Oh, sorry. Cross, 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 cross. Okay, that is the weave. All right, hopefully that helps. I want to see you on the dance floor. Y'all let me know how you're doing. All right, like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna keep them coming. Y'all take care. See you next time. Mwah.